Hello everyone, this is Anusha of grade 10 and today I am going to talk about the Indian state Bihar. Bihar is located in the eastern part of the country and lies midway between the West Bengal in the east. And then Bihar is bordered with Nepal in the north, Uttar Pradesh in the west, Jharkhand in the south. The official language of Bihar is Hindi and Maithili and Urdu are other recognized languages of the state. Unrecognized languages of the state are Bhojpuri. The Chief Minister of Bihar is Mr. Nitish Kumar and the Deputy Chief Minister is Renu Devi. The Governor of Bihar is Pahu Chauhan. This is the opposition party leader in Bihar. The state bird of Bihar is the house sparrow and the song is Mere Bharat Ki Kandhar. The state animal of Bihar is the Gaur. There are a lot of beautiful places to visit in Bihar. Bihar is visited by many tourists from around the world. In 2019, total 33 million of tourists visited Bihar, which includes more than 1 million foreign tourists. Bihar is home of 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The culture and heritage of Bihar can be observed from the large number of ancient monuments spread throughout the state. This is the dance of Bihar, that is the Jumari dance. There are several kinds of culture followed in Bihar. Thank you.